Hey, what's up guys? So I'm making this video because I couldn't find anything online that showed how to take off the drive shaft on the 04 Tundra that had this type of I guess mounting bracket from the drive shaft to the differential. A lot of them have a bracket that's like this, kind of like a C shape that bolts onto, you know, the differential, or it has bolts, actual bolts that you unscrew out and removes the whole bolt. But on this Tundra, it has the bolts that are actually coming out of the differential. So it has you know, a nut that comes off, and then you have the differential or the drive shaft sitting on the differential on top of the bolts. So pretty much what I did was, after, you know, looking online trying to find something, I really couldn't find anything. So what I did was I grabbed my rubber mallet. I hit the differential, not the differential, but the bracket that's holding onto the differential until it broke loose. I also used some WD-40, let it sit for a little bit. Once it soaked in, and then I hit it with the rubber mallet, and I was able to break it free, and then lift the differential, not the differential, I'm sorry, the drive shaft up into the side, and it gave me some room to be able to pull it out. And so I thought I'd, you know, help someone out that might run into the same issue that I am, and make a video of it. So I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm talking about, what the differential looks like, and what the drive shaft looks like. Here's the bracket that holds on to the differential from the drive shaft to the differential. It's just one piece. Okay. Here is the differential. So see what I'm talking about? The bolts are coming out of the differential. So it's a lot different than a lot of trucks and videos that I've seen online. So hope this helps. Alright guys, so I hope that helps. I hope the video helps. If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll be doing more videos of things that I work on the truck. If you have any questions, just hit me up. Damn, she got me. When you're trying to work on your truck and your wife gets home to find a mess. Wah, wah, wah. Tengo en cámara esto. ¿Cuál próxima?
Ahorita.